Hello student, welcome once again. Here is my YouTube channel and let me first give you my warm welcome to all of you present here, and I will give you as today's as it is the Rajesh YouTube channel, and I will teach you today is about the chemistry. In a chemistry chapter, as we are studying distributions sorry structure of an atoms, we had studied the structure of atoms. Now we will study the valency and some valency and what is valency and the differences of the valency and how we will calculate the valency. So first of all, we will define the valency. Here the valency. Here is the valency. The electron present in the outermost shell of an atoms. The electron present in an outermost shell of an atoms is known as valence electrons. Valency. Outermost shell is known as valence electron. This is valence. Outermost cells that was present in ends atoms. Electrons is present in an atoms in outermost cell is said to be the valence electrons. These electrons are how we will calculate the resonance of others. We will study some properties of the valency. Here is the property of the valency. Can plenty full of the electrons, 8 electrons having cells are stable here completely filled outermost shell of an atoms having 8 electrons that is electrons called valence electrons which have 8 electrons called valence electrons are is most stable atoms or most stable atoms. Now we will discuss another outermost distance number of the electrons lost or gain. Here is the number of the electron loss or gain or share. Number of electrons lost, gains or share to become a stable called to become a stable called to become stables are called, so that is to become stable called valency of that electrons. Valency of that electrons. Here called valency of that electrons and called valency of that electrons, and that's elements valency can be and also valency of the elements. Valence electrons and valency of that element. Here, so valency of that electrons and valency of that elements. Now we will discuss another characters. Some valency of some elements. Valency of some So here is the outermost cells number of electrons lost, and so we will see here one by one that lost and again electrons are called octets, and so the cell in the outermost are called octets, and some valency of elements, some valency of some elements, or some sorry, valency of some element. We will discuss the valency of some elements here, so one by one. So first we will take hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, lose one electrons. So its a valency becomes valency is equal to 1 valency, get 1. So second we study about the magnesiums, berylliums, magnesium balance, magnesium, calciums, berylliums lose 2 electrons, so valency will be 2. Second, third is here, third is telling that magnesiums, and here third berylliums, boron and aluminiums lose 3 electrons, so valency will be 3. Fourth is here, fourth we will say carbon and sulfur lose 4 electrons, so valency is equal to 4. And fifth is here, sodium and potassium gain 3 electrons, sodium nitrogens, and the potassiums gain 3 electrons, so valency will be 3. And sixth will be here, the potassium have a 3 and a 5, phosphorus have a 3 and a 5 valency, whereas here is the seventh, oxygen sulfur gain 2, electrons, so valency is equal to 2. Sulfur have to gain 2 electrons, so valency have some chlorine, bromine, iodines, fluorines gains 1 electron, so valency is equal to 1. And helium, neon, argon, krypton, air, xenon, Ra and radon, its valency is equal to 0, because most stable elements. So here is the valency, and with the help of these one things and the help of the Borberry's rules, we can also understand which electrons and how many electrons is available in the outermost cells, and also how much electrons required, how many electrons have to lose. Means the gain lose are relate to each other. So it's share each other. So is said to be the valency. That electron will be the valence electrons, and this process in which it's happening is said to be the valency. And the outermost cell in which the electrons are loss gain are sharing is said to be the octets. These all things are happening due to the stability, taking the stability of that elements. Okay, thank you very much for coming. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and write the comments, so that more you can lose the video. Okay, thank you.